Ladies and gentlemen, fellow public servants, friends and fellow Ifugaos, good day once again. First and foremost, I give all the glory and honor to our Almighty God, for it is by His grace and will that I am standing before you today. I also express my gratitude to the people of District 2, municipalities of Alfonso Lista, Aguinaldo, Mayuyao, and Banawi, who placed their trust and confidence in me through their votes. Thank you very much. You did not only just vote for a name, you voted for hope, for representation, and for a voice in Sangguniang Panlalawigan. I will definitely carry that responsibility with dignity and humility. I thank the LGU heads and staff, David Apo, and some barangay officials who accompanied me early this morning, but unfortunately, dati lakil na slide din natin isu nalaglado na nanalo kami kasi na si Mac Apo. Thank you very much. What they know, that the flag ceremony and the kalunis itatag iti employees. Kamu dakit LGU flag ceremony itatay so talaga ipapati na rin may to accompany me talaga. Thank you. Last year we accompanied Provincial Assessor Len Lamat, coming here as the Provincial Assessor, dating Municipal Assessor Tete Aguinaldo, tatay suna itimang welcome it kada kami Apo. Thank you. And of course, thanks to our Almighty that He allowed us to be here. So, thank you, everyone. In 1998 to 2001, yours truly was then the president of the Philippine Councilors League representing Ifugao. So I say thanks to God for allowing me, and even the people of District 2 for allowing me to return in the Sangguniang Panlalawigan for this 2025 onward until 2028 ako no bilang. And I would like also to thank the ministers of God, ni Pastor Ipisang ako, for you have been ushering us. You continually prayed over us and lifted us up in your intercessions. Your prayers are powerful, and they have sustained us through challenges and victories alike. May the Lord continue to bless you as you continue to shepherd the people or His people and uphold us in your spiritual guidance. This moment reminds me of a story I once heard about a local leader who won by a slim margin in a small province. When asked what gave him the strength to campaign, he said, "I knocked on doors not just to ask for votes, but to ask how I could help. And the people responded, not because I promised them everything, but because I promised them honesty and presence." That is the kind of leadership I aspire, dear ladies and gentlemen, to offer, not perfect, but present, not all-knowing, but always listening. As I took my oath earlier, I stand in full support of the administration of our Honorable Governor Jerry Dalipog, who was able to achieve his historic third-term victory, the first governor in Ifugao to achieve his 3 consecutive terms. Congratulations, Apo Governor. And of course, to our ST members, under the able leadership of my colleague, Mayor Martin Habawil Jr., who will assume post by 12:01 at noon by and by. Both of us will end our term as municipal mayor at 12 noon. Few minutes lang po. So we will support, of course, together with the partnership of the different heads of offices of the provincial government and the staff. I always believe in the programs of this leadership, the direction and the vision of the leadership of our provincial governor. And I always believe in all the programs, our platforms and the dreams we share for every municipality, every barangay, and every Ifugao family. Rest assured, I will work hand in hand with the fellow ST members, and of course, we were voted upon by the people to support all programs so that all plans will not just remain as a plan, but becomes action and results. So, to my fellow Ifugaos, at itinulong tayo kumaapo, ket we will all take the journey with mutual respect and shared purpose. I say thank you once again. Thank you for all your support, your faith, and your expectations. And I will definitely say I will remain committed to public service, and I will not take them for granted. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.
Thank you once again, the Honorable Gaspar D. Chilagan Jr. And may we also acknowledge the presence of the